Hello everyone, it's your favorite realtor, Erica Hernandez with RE/MAX Top Realty. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and my apologies for being absent the last couple of weeks, but I am back and I'm ready to educate you on all things real estate. Oftentimes I get asked, should I be paying off my loan faster? Do I give more towards the principal? All these things. If you would like to learn my thoughts on rushing paying off your mortgage, please stay tuned. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media at Erica Houston Realtor, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and TikTok, and go to my website at www.erikahoustonrealtor.com. If you're watching this video, chances are you're a homeowner. Congratulations on that. Today I'm going to go over my opinion, and this is only my personal opinion, about rushing to pay off your mortgage. I think it's a smart idea to pay just a little tiny bit every month towards your principal. Let's say your monthly payment is $2,000, maybe sending an extra $100 to $200 a month if it's in your budget. Makes a lot of sense in my opinion, because you'll get to knock off a few years off your loan and pay off your debt a little faster. If you decide to do it monthly or decide to do it in a big chunk, that's all up to you, but it's always a good idea to send just a little extra to, in a way, cheat the interest rates, and that's a smart thing to do. Sometimes people tell me they have a big chunk of money that should cover most of the money to pay off the mortgage, and in some cases, yes, it is a good idea depending on your situation. When I'm asked this question about paying off the mortgage fast, I always go back to asking the clients or the person who's asking me this question, do you have any other debt that has higher interest? Most credit cards, some of these get to 10%, 12%. Maybe your car payment is pretty high up there, maybe like a 5% or even like 6, 7, 8. Before you consider paying off your home loan, I think it's a good idea to look at all the other debt you have that has a way higher interest rate and paying those off first, because those are the ones that are hurting you the most. An interest rate on a home loan is probably the lowest interest rate you'll ever have for any borrowed money. So I wouldn't say rushing, killing yourself, paying this loan off for your home is the best idea, but giving little chunks and pieces here and there to pay it off a little bit faster is always a good idea. So no one really taught my parents how to do these things and what was best and what was not the best financial decision for the family. But my mom, she had it together, man. Like, she tells us that she had her mortgage payment really low and she could have paid a little bit better when she first started with the home loan, but she decided to just give the minimum payment to allow the family to travel. Some of the money that she could have used to pay off the debt for the home a little faster, she just would save up, and we would go on family trips every single summer. My parents did not come from a lot, they didn't make a lot of money, and they managed to just live life. And I guess that's the point of today's video. The answer to the question is, if paying off this debt and making these big sacrifices is not going to allow you to live your life, then it's not a good idea. Now, if you can manage it and you make the money and you're still living your life and paying off your debts super fast, then congratulations to you. Most people don't have that luxury, and so my best advice I can give to you is don't rush to pay off your mortgage. Pay off all the other cards, credit cards, car payments, student loans, medical bills, any high interest debt that you may have. Focus on paying those off too. And those don't even rush either. If you can give a little bit more every month, that would help you, but don't kill yourself over paying off all these debts and not being able to live your life. Life is really short, and to be a slave to your mortgage payment, to me, that is not a life. That is not a happy life. So although paying off that mortgage, living the debt-free life is the goal here, just make sure it fits your lifestyle, make sure it fits your finances. Don't kill yourself over it, and definitely consider using some of the money that you saved, that you worked really hard to save, instead of trying to pay off your debt. Again, enjoy it or invest your money. If you're managing your money and you're paying off your payment for your house every single month and you still get to travel and you have extra money, Before you consider sending that extra money to pay off all your debt, consider using that money as an investment. I've talked about investments in the past. It doesn't have to necessarily be real estate investments. It could be any type of investment because that helps your money multiply. The biggest tip I can give you is don't rush yourself and kill yourself over paying off your mortgage. Just enjoy life and try to balance everything out so that maybe if you do have an extra $100 a month, you can send it. Sometimes you send it, sometimes you don't. But enjoy life. There's no rush to pay off. This whole debt-free life is nice, but there's no rush. Although no one taught my parents how to be financially savvy, my mom actually, she was really good at it. And that was just like a natural thing for her. But it really doesn't happen naturally for all of us. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to share with someone else, just to give them my thoughts on what I think about paying off a mortgage kind of fast, please share this video with them. Please, let's educate our kids. Let's educate our friends. Let's talk about financial decisions we make. Let's compare and see what works best, what doesn't work best. The one thing that I love to do is always talk to older people because older people are wiser. Any regrets they have in life, they'll share it with you. Like, I wish I would have done this different. Maybe it could be someone who says, I wish I wasn't so focused on paying off my mortgage. I wish I would have enjoyed life while I was younger and I was able to move around more, or whatever the case. Anyway, I could keep talking, y'all, like forever. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back. I'm hoping to post videos again every single week. I do appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a like, put a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching.